Hello, and thank you for visiting my website. I'm Ned Henderson, and I'm here to tell you a bit about my approach to body psychotherapy. In psychotherapy and counselling, we're interested in thoughts and feelings, hopes and fears, and the challenges in our lives which lead us to seek help in order to gain a better perspective on things and to gain more satisfaction and a better quality of life. As a body psychotherapist, I'm interested in all these things, and I'm also interested in our bodily awareness, our physical sensations, posture, gestures, tone of voice, and physical symptoms. We have a holistic philosophy, by which I mean that the body and mind we see as interrelated parts of the whole person, and we seek to support both. The body mirrors the experience that we have in our mind and our emotions, so that when we're tense, unhappy or out of sorts, our bodies will also tend to mirror this, and we will have physical tensions and contractions and postural patterns which, if they're allowed to persist and if we don't recognize them, can in the long run develop into physical symptoms and illness. So of course it's very helpful to be aware of these and to find ways of living more comfortably in our own skin. Recent neuroscientific evidence tells us that when we communicate with the people around us, only 10% of what we communicate is understood through the verbal content, the words that we use. 90% of what we communicate, the message we put across, is understood through our tone of voice, posture, gestures, and so forth, eye contact, because it's in these things that we colour or affect and influence the verbal content, and this carries more weight with the people that we communicate with. So of course it's very useful to recognise and understand these things and find more effective ways of expressing ourselves, as well as learning how to live more comfortably in our own skin. We often think when we run into difficulties, I should be able to sort this all out myself. And if we could, we probably would. But we often don't want to burden the people around us. And in this situation, it can often be the case that it is useful to seek a safe and confidential, non-judgmental place where we can talk about these things, get a clearer understanding of them, and seek more fulfilling ways of approaching life's challenges. There's an old saying that a problem is simply a situation in need of attention. And it's this kind of quality attention that I seek to offer in my psychotherapy practice. If you think that I might be able to help you, then please do get in touch without any further obligation, and I'll be happy to discuss it. Thank you for listening.